Aries, I hope you all are doing really good. This is Falguni and I'm here to do your no contact readings, and this is for the month of October. Of course, this is a general reading, so it will not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest. And this is for Aries, Sun, Moon and Rising. Please check your placements before watching the readings. And of course, if you want to reach out to me for a personal reading, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. So let's begin and see what are the feelings and intentions of your partner towards you. Aries, let's see what are the feelings and intentions of your partner towards you for the month of October. Let's see. For the person you are in no contact with, what are their feelings and intentions towards you? For the person you are in no contact with, let's see what are their feelings and intentions towards you. Okay. So, this person is acting like a rebel. They want to take control of the situation. They want to have control over everything. Maybe they feel that you are getting out of hand and things have gotten out of hand and everything is falling in your court somehow, and they want to take control of the situation, of their life, of their emotions, of everything turbulence that is going on in their life currently. They want to take hold of everything. They want to take control of everything back. They want to lead the situation basically. So what are the, let's clarify this rebel card further. Let's find out what is the rebel card here for. Okay, Aries, let's find out. Let's find out what is the rebel card here for. What is the rebel card here for? What is the rebel card here for? Okay, like I just told you, they feel that things have gotten out of hand. They are very obsessed with you, very obsessed with you. They feel that you are just getting out of the way and they cannot sleep at night. They're losing their sleep over the situation. Okay, and they feel that there should be a communication between you two. They feel the need to communicate. Even they want to even come towards you to communicate, but before that they want the things to be in their hands. They want to lead the situation. They want everything in their favor. They want to, take control of the situation, even if it has to, even if it has to work out between you two, it has to be on their terms and conditions. That is what I feel. There is some element of obsession. There is some element of attachment, heavy attachment that I can feel in the situation. Let's see if they are willing to take any action towards you. What are the, if they are willing to take any actions towards you, what are the actions that they, just a second, I dropped the cards, sorry. Okay, so what are the actions that they are willing to take towards you, if any? Let's see what are the actions that they are willing to take towards you, Aries. What are the actions that they are willing to take towards you, Aries, if any? Okay, so we'll take one card. Okay, so they are basically, I don't see them taking any action as of now, but this is a major arcana. So awareness, they have the awareness, they have the knowledge, um, they have that love. They feel that they can trust you. They find you trustworthy. They find that emotional connect also with you. So they are aware of that, but I don't see any action that they are taking. Let's clarify this and see if they're going to take any action with this awareness that they have. Let's see. They are aware that someone needs to take some sort of action. This also is an awareness that they have in the situation. Okay. So let's see what is the awareness card about here. Aries, what is the awareness card about here? What is the awareness card about here? So, yes, so they are aware, okay. So they have this awareness that you are too blunt. I mean, you have the potential to reject them. There is a also tendency that you might even get into some sort of conflict, argument, fights. They are aware of this. So they want to take action, but they are currently giving it a second thought whether they should take action or not. They should take an action towards you or not, because of the fights and conflicts. They want to avoid that. They want to avoid that. They cannot sleep at night. They want to come towards you, but taking control of the situation, and also, but after taking control of the situation, and also they want the ball to be in their court. It should be in their favor. So right now they're contemplating over if they should take any action or not. They want to come to, rushing towards you, no doubt about that. But they do not want any sorts of conflicts between you two. Okay. They also have envisioned some sort of future between you two. That also I'm getting. Okay, what is the guidance for you in this situation, Aries? Let's see what is the guidance for you in this situation. Let's see what is the guidance for you in this situation. Let's see what is the guidance for you in this situation. So you have the guidance as I just gave you this card sometime back, I mean in the last action card. So here they trust you, they have a lot of trust towards you. And you also need to trust the situation. If you are not trusting the situation, you feel that nothing good is going to come out of this. It is all getting worse and worse day by day, day by day, day by day. You need to relax. Things will work out in your favor, and just relax, chill, be a little playful. Okay, so let's see what is the trust card. Let's also clarify the card of trust here. You need to trust the situation. You need to trust the process. Everything will fall into place at the right time. Okay, so yes, I see that you people have had certain conflicts. You both are watching, you are observing. You need to be observant. This is the guidance. You need to be observant of the person, of the situation, of all the dynamics, facts. You should be very clear about all of that. You should be also weighing down your options, or you should be even wary of any sorts of conflicts that may arise between you two. Trust the situation. Okay, it will play out in your favor when the time comes, and for that you need to relax and trust the situation. You need to also adhere to the calling that you're getting. Okay, and because of that you need to pay more trust into the situation, because that is a calling you're getting from within. All right, so that was your reading, Aries. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and stay blessed. Thank you. Namaste.